Hello, this is Monica, the teacher time saver, and I'm here to show you why use digital lessons. Save money, time on prep, and get kids on technology. Digital lessons give you the power to edit lessons as you wish, either using Google Slides or PowerPoint, and I'll be using Teachers Pay Teachers to show you. Digital lessons for any grade and subject are ready and available on Teachers Pay Teachers. For example, my store, the Teacher Time Saver. Check out my Power Work and Force Physical Science lesson, which is free to try and use, that I will be demonstrating in this video. Digital notebooks or lessons can be opened, edited, shared, and uploaded anywhere with Wi-Fi. For example, you can upload to your Google Classroom. Once students have made their own copy of an assignment, they can add their own text, images, videos, and more. It's just like grabbing a paper assignment, but saving paper. In this example, I'm using Google Slides, where you can have multiple pages added to one linked assignment. Forget about lost or forgotten notebooks or paper. I can't tell you the countless number of times I've had to run and make more copies for a student. Saving money on color pencils, glue, and paper is a bonus. Teach students basic technology skills while covering your content. You might learn something new from them as well. Hey, thanks for watching. Please follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, and Teachers Pay Teachers for freebies, science lessons, and more.